We should treat our farmers like our parents because they're the ones who feed us. Although, bakit parang invisible sila? In fact, pagka champion natin yung cause, ako, may mga reaction and I can understand because of centuries of injustice, oppression, and lack of recognition. Hindi naman ako farmer eh. So, parang di ako makarelate dun sa usapin na kailangan suportahan ng farmer. Oo, hindi. Pero, di ba, sa totoo lang, hindi ka farmer, pero pag wala yung farmer, gutom ka. That was also, I think, the whole point of why we wanted to make agriculture, farming, and food front and center because hindi siya binibigyan ng importansya talaga eh ng lipunan. In fact, hanggang ngayon, inaaway ko yung aking mga comms. Pag may mga video footage kami, tapos sabi ko, nasaan yung pangalan ng farmer? Asan yung pangalan ng farmers group? Bigyan natin ng muka. Dahil
Yes.
kung hindi, sabi ko, tayo na mismo pine-perpetuate natin yung